there. So I'm testing out a new canoe that I just got. It's the Esquif Adirondack pack canoe. It's about 12 feet long, 37 pounds. It's about 13 inches deep, which is fairly deep for a pack canoe. This is a great little kind of all-rounder for creeks and rivers and small lakes. It's never going to be as fast as some of those ultralight carbon fiber pack canoes that are very shallow, very thin, use kayak seats. But it also won't break the bank at $1,300 Canadian. It's made of the same stuff that Esquif makes all its heavy-duty whitewater canoes and playboats with. It's T-Formex. It's an ABS material, very tough, can bounce back off rocks, etc. So that's a nice little bonus. So you could put this through some rapids, you know, maybe class 1 or class 2. It doesn't have a lot of rocker, but in a way that's kind of good because you're not going to get caught in the wind like a big prospector when you're crossing a lake. A great all-round canoe. And you know, you could take this on a solo trip. It's going to hold more gear than some of those ultralights. You could even throw a dog in. I've had an 80-pound dog in here, and it still moved pretty well. So again, this is the Esquif Adirondack. It's 12 feet long. It's considered a pack canoe in the touring class. It comes with a standard canoe-style seat for a single paddle. You could get away with using a kayak paddle in this. The seat is not ideal, but if you had a long enough paddle with doing high angles, you could get away with it. It's relatively stable too. You could even stand up in it and pole. I haven't done much in the way of outfitting this. I've added a couple bungees, I've a sponge, and of course my safety kit. Yes, it doesn't have a yoke. That's one drawback because, you know, most pack canoes are traditionally you would carry on your shoulder, but you're only going to be able to do that for a couple hundred meters on a portage. There's no way you're going to do that for 1,000 meters. So I've ordered a clip-on yoke, and that'll make a big difference. So I wish that had come with this, but it didn't. Again, at 37 pounds, it's pretty light, pretty easy lift compared to some of the other big beasts I have. One thing that's, you know, I'm not crazy about is having a bit of a keel. I didn't realize that when I bought it, but it's not a massive keel like some of those kind of cottage canoes, and I think it just makes it a little stronger maybe.